Using the Sierra offline program, Millennium. Occasionally, the Sierra program will lose its connection to the server. This means that the Sierra program will not load on your workstation or freezes and eventually closes the program. This may also happen if you lose your connection to the internet. When this occurs, access the offline circulation program called Millennium or Sierra Offline from your desktop. Double-click the Millennium Offline Circulation or Sierra Offline shortcut on your computer desktop. Depending on when the program was installed on your computer, it could be named either. Both icons access the same program. Under View in the menu bar at the top, select Preferences. In the Preferences window, enter the statistic group number assigned to your branch. It is very important to enter the correct number here as it ensures the circulation data is attributed to the correct location. Verify the date format displays as MDY. Verify Check Barcode Validity is checked. Verify that one slip per patron is selected. Click Apply, then Quit. Under File in the menu bar, click Select Printer and ensure that Receipt Printer is selected from the list of printers attached to your computer. Ensure you are at the Checkout screen. The Checkout icon is the first button on the left. Do not select any other buttons. Scan a patron barcode and enter the due date using the format 2 numbers for month, 2 numbers for day, 4 numbers for year. Then press Enter. Use a due date of 3 weeks from the current date. At the prompt hourly YN, enter N, then press Enter. The patron barcode will appear at the top of the screen. Begin scanning item barcodes to check out material to the customer. Checked out items will appear in a list on your screen. When you have finished checking out items to the customer, click the New Patron button. A due date slip will automatically print. The slip will display the current date, patron barcode, item barcodes, and the due date. To check out to another customer, scan the new customer barcode. You will be asked to enter the due date again. By default, the previous due date that was entered will appear. Press Enter to continue using that date or change the due date as necessary. You will be prompted again for hourly YN. By default, the previous entry will appear. Ensure it is an N and press Enter. Begin scanning items to check out to the customer. When you are finished using the offline module, under File, select Exit or click the red X in the top right corner of the window to exit the application. The offline program can be used subsequent days if you are still unable to access Sierra. Once your connection has been reestablished, please follow the uploading offline transaction procedures. To upload offline transactions, first verify that the Sierra production application is online and running by logging into Sierra. Sierra must be online in order to receive offline transactions from the Millennium offline circulation application. If you are unable to log into Sierra, you cannot proceed with uploading transactions. Continue using offline circulation until Sierra is available. If you are able to log into Sierra, proceed with the following steps. You must upload offline circulation transactions from every workstation where the offline application was used. Do not check in any material until you receive confirmation from IT that all offline transactions were processed. If an item is checked out while you're offline and then returned and checked in before the offline transactions are processed, that item will be checked out to the customer again during the upload process, even though it was returned. Launch the Millennium Offline Circulation module. Under File in the menu bar, select Upload Circulation and Patron Data. You will be asked if the server is ready to receive data. If you are able to log into Sierra, click Yes. You will then see a confirmation of the number of transactions that were uploaded. Click OK. You will then be asked to clear the file. Click No. Repeat these steps for every workstation where the offline circulation was used. Send an email marked High Importance to trackit@virl.bc.ca to report that offline circulation transactions were uploaded and need to be processed. The subject line should read, Urgent, process offline circulation transactions for your branch name. Include the number of files uploaded. For example, you uploaded transactions from 2 different workstations. Therefore, 2 offline files would have been uploaded. Copy ils@virl.bc.ca on the email. If you do not get a response within 30 minutes after submitting the trackit, call the technicians. You may begin to use Sierra, but for checkout only. Again, do not check in any material until you receive confirmation from IT that all offline transactions were processed. If you encounter any error messages during the upload process, submit a trackit ticket. The subject line should read, Error during upload of offline circulation transactions, or call the IT service desk. Follow the Erasing Offline Transactions once you receive a response from IT. After you have uploaded all the offline transactions and submitted a trackit, do not check in any material until you receive confirmation from IT that all offline transactions were processed. After you receive this confirmation, open the Millennium Offline Circulation module. Under File, select Erase Circulation Transactions. Click Yes to confirm you want to erase circulation transactions. You will then see a confirmation that the circulation file was cleared. Click OK and close Millennium Offline Circulation module. Repeat steps 1 through 3 at every workstation where offline circulation was used. If you do not erase these transactions, this data will be uploaded at a later date, resulting in the checkout of material that may have been returned. Customers will see these items checked out to them again or receive notices and charges for material that they have already returned. Offline transactions must be uploaded and processed before you can check in material using Sierra.